I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your control center on your iPhone.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
Step 1 is to open your control center by swiping down from the top right of your screen. To customize your control center, tap and hold on the screen outside of any of these icons. Now you'll see a minus option. You can remove any of these options that you'd like. Mine is very customized already. If you'd like to add any icons, like for example in this blank space in the bottom right hand corner, I will tap add a control on the very bottom. This will bring up all of the different options that we have from different apps, and we can select whichever one we would like to add to that bottom corner. So let's say I wanted to add Instagram. I will tap on that little icon and it will be right there. If I'd like to move any of these options around, I will tap and hold and then drag them around, and then they will automatically move around based on me moving that particular icon. When you're finished moving your icons around, all you have to do is tap outside of any of them, and then it will go back and set them perfectly in place.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.